Hey guys, what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Bree. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be an unboxing slash like first impressions view of this wig that I got. So the wig we're talking about today is the Dashley wig. It is the lace unit in lace unit 8, so they do have several of these. So if you want this one, you have to make sure that you get the number 8, and it's a deep center part ear to ear lace. I believe the other one is like a 7 and it's like an off-centered part, and I didn't want all that. So this is from Senastionnel, and I got it in the color Money Piece Hazel. I did end up purchasing this wig from Wig Types, so this is my first time actually ordering a synthetic wig online, so this is actually pretty cool, so I'm excited. Interesting. Get it how you live. Let this. This is the wig. This is so pretty. Off the back though, tangles, but it feels like it's just like clumped together tangles. Not bad. It is frizzy, but it was in a box and I can't expect that much, and I'm gonna not run my fingers through it that much until I get it on my head to see how I want it. This is the part that it comes with. I will be going in and plucking that. It's not bad at all, honestly. Like, this is really good, and it does come with baby hairs. So this is the front of the unit. So it comes with baby hair on here, but I would definitely pluck this hairline because it is atrocious. They didn't lie, it is ear to ear. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and then they do have the adjustable straps. So I'm excited to actually try this wig and see and slap it on my head, because I haven't had a color like this. I've only done like blonde, and I mean like blonde, but this is actually gonna be like exciting. So I'll be back once I do have the wig on. All right, so this is the wig on. It actually, I don't know, it's like fall bad vibes. Maybe I shouldn't be using this Denman brush. I think I'm gonna it up. I'll be right back. Let me go get this wide tooth comb and see what I can do with this hair. But you guys, what synthetic where? Synthetic who? Oh, well, with all this going on, then I guess that's who's synthetic. But all right, so I got this wide tooth comb, and okay, the bottom of this wig is just gonna be problems. So I have a mirror right here. Sorry, like I don't even know what I look like if I have that on. So not that on, but if I just look at the camera. So yes ma'am, yes ma'am. You see me? You see me? I see you. I see you. Dashley. That's a last name. But yes, Dashley. Okay? Dashley is okay. Okay. So let's evenly comb Dashley out. I'm gonna take this card off, but when I go to cut the lace, I'm gonna take it off. But we wanna, come on now. Separate the curls. Can y'all tell I don't wear synthetic wigs? Like, I'm really struggling. But this is fun. So, okay, these ends are gonna be the death of me. Alright, so, and then, yes. Alright, so this is how the hair looks on me so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'm gonna come back and style this wig and give you my first thoughts. Alright, so this is the wig with the lace cut off. One thing I will off the bat say is this mother tangles like bad. And it's really just in the ends. So what I did was I went in and I plucked the front of the part. This is a really deep part, like, so it's really good for it to be synthetic, but like up here in the front, which I'm probably gonna go in and pluck some more out, it was just basically closed. So yeah, I 10 out of 10 do recommend this hair because look, like, look, okay? So this is such a cute wig. I love synthetic wigs when they have a style. Like with bundles, you have to think of the style, then execute it. This is just like ooh, I'm going to dinner, I could just throw this on type hair. Honestly, I am gonna try to wear this wig every single day for as long as I can wear it, and then let you guys know how long it lasts. I do know how to take care of synthetic hair, I just prefer not to wear it. But with the seasons changing and me running out of ideas as far as what I want to do with my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and try some different styles and see what works best for me. And then if it's something that I want to keep a long time, I'll probably just mimic it with bundles. This wig is tight as by the way. I have a big head, so it could be tighter that way. I do not have the straps adjusted whatsoever. Well, I have them not crossing, but on like the loops right before the comb. If you're familiar with wigs, you know what I'm talking about. But it's really tight. This wig you do not have to glue down, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. I typically glue down my wigs and have them on for long periods of time, but so it does not go ear to ear. It like stops right here and swoops back. So if you think that you're gonna get this hair and be putting in a high ponytail, sis, don't do it. I hate when girls do that with their synthetic wigs. But yeah, just having it down, if it blows back in the wind, you're covered. That's all that this is for. Like, if you get this wig, please don't embarrass me, okay? But no, for real. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And thanks so much for tuning into my channel, and stay tuned for my other synthetic wigs that I did purchase, because I will be doing a review on those as well. But yeah, so definitely buy this wig. It's the Dashley Unit 8 in Money Piece Hazel, and that way you can slay and be a baddie on a budget. I don't know where I'm about to go in this wig, but I'm about to go somewhere, okay? Nah, for real. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if this is a wig that you would buy, because sis, if you don't, you're missing out, and it's okay because they'll have more in stock for me. But thanks, guys.